Parrots are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Lush rainforests, with their abundance of fruits, seeds and insects, provide the ideal habitat for many species. Here, the parrots contribute to the ecosystem by dispersing seeds and pollinating flowers as they flit through the canopy. However, parrots are adaptable creatures and can be found in a variety of habitats. Some species have made their homes in woodlands, savannas and even grasslands. The key to their survival in these diverse environments is their ability to find food and suitable nesting sites.